This short video will introduce you to your gammaCore Sapphire and show you how to use it. Let's get to know your device. The safe and gentle electrical stimulation is delivered through the two stimulation surfaces. To turn gammaCore on, press the power button. To turn the device off, press and hold the power button. When the device is ready for use, it will beep once and show you the number of days and the number of stimulations you have left. When you adjust the intensity, the display shows the intensity level, which ranges from 0 to 40. The top of the control button increases the intensity of the stimulation. The bottom of the control button decreases the intensity of the stimulation. You will learn more about these controls later. Now let's walk through the 3 simple steps for using gammaCore. Step 1. Prepare. Step 2. Start. Step 3. Deliver. First, find the correct treatment location by using 2 fingers to find the pulse on either side of your neck. Your vagus nerve passes through your neck in this area. While gammaCore is turned off, remove the cap and practice placing it in the correct location and position. Place it vertically, that is, with the stimulation surfaces one above the other, in the spot where you found your pulse. Practice positioning gammaCore in front of a mirror a few times before you turn it on. Once you ensure your device is loaded and you've practiced placing and positioning the device, you are ready to start. First, apply a pea-sized amount of the provided conductive gel to each stimulation surface. Be sure that you use only the gel that was provided in your gammaCore kit. Do not use other gels. Now turn gammaCore on using the power button and wait for the device to beep once. Position the device on your neck as you practiced earlier. Both stimulation surfaces must be making complete contact with your skin for gammaCore to effectively stimulate your vagus nerve. Now you're ready to deliver the stimulation. Keeping the stimulation surfaces against your neck, increase the intensity by repeatedly pressing or holding down the top of the control button. You should start to feel a deep and strong vibration inside your neck. Continue to increase the intensity level until you feel some slight muscle contractions. The most common muscle contraction is a downward pulling on your lip at the corner of your mouth. Not everyone feels this lip pull, but you will likely feel some type of muscle contraction below your lip. These muscle contractions and the associated lip pull indicate that gammaCore is positioned correctly and that you have likely reached an adequate intensity level. Most people achieve these muscle contractions at an intensity level between 15 and 25. Your effective intensity level may not be the same for every stimulation. Feeling the strong vibration and the muscle contractions or lip pull is more important than the actual number. Also, there is no harm in increasing the level beyond 25 or when you feel the lip pull. If you start to feel pain, simply press the bottom of the control button to decrease the intensity. Once gammaCore is positioned correctly at the right intensity level, hold it in place until it beeps twice and stops delivering the stimulation. Your intensity level will be displayed at the end of the stimulation and then followed by the number of stimulations and days remaining. After the stimulation is complete, your device will turn off automatically, or you may turn it off by pressing and holding the power button. Perform your first few stimulations in front of a mirror to get a better feel for using gammaCore and to ensure you are correctly delivering the stimulation and to see the lip pull. After each stimulation, thoroughly clean the gel off the stimulation surfaces and off your neck. Reapply fresh gel before each stimulation. When finished treating yourself, make sure the device is clean and put the cap on the stimulation surfaces to protect them. If your device is low on battery, place the device with the power button facing up into the charging station. The device will show CH with the battery charge indicator bars flashing. Only use the provided power adapter with the charging station. Finally, always follow your healthcare provider's treatment instructions and read the important safety information as well as the instructions for use for all important warnings and precautions. Hopefully, you now feel comfortable and confident using gammaCore. For more information on gammaCore, refer to the instructions for use and your quick start guide. If you'd like to watch the video again, or if you want to learn more, please visit gammaCore.com.